Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Gus.
Another great tutorial on Bybit, where we'll be discussing the benefit and risk of copy trading, as well as how to navigate the system and choose traders.
So, we recommend that you watch this video until the end because it contains valuable information. To begin, let's visit the copy trading platform on Bybit. If you are new, be sure to check the details in the link provided in the description that allow you to get a bonus on your deposit.
On this platform you find a variety of traders, each with their own performance history. By visiting the top master traders section, you can see how each trader is ranked based on the ROI, return on investment, higher profit for followers and lower drawdown. You can also find the top intraday traders section.
It's important to remember that just choosing one trader to copy can be risky. By copying just one trader, you are putting yourself at risk if they don't perform as expected, but thankfully on Bybit you can copy up to 10 traders. This is a better option as it gives you more diversified exposure to a variety of traders.
To truly understand how these traders perform over time, we recommend visiting the All Master Traders section. This section allows you to dig down into a trader's performance over the long term, rather than just past 7 days.
It's better to put your money in traders who do a decent job over a long term, rather than just one trader who maybe got unlucky over the last 7 days or had only one good trade.
On the right hand side, we can check whether traders may have reached their capacity and are not accepting any new traders at the moment. However, traders who are interested in copying their trades can opt to be put on a wait list by clicking on the trader's name and on full to receive an alert when a spot opens up.
In order to find the best traders to copy, it's important to consider their overall rank, performance and history. By selecting top ROI and top profit, we can filter out traders who may have had a shorter history. Additionally, selecting veteran can help you ensure that traders have a long history of consistent success.
This way, we can see a clearer list of traders we can potentially copy. So we can see the 30 days ROI, the percentage of return on investment, 30 days max followers and the 30 days followers P&L. And as for this trader, the numbers are very good. Now let's choose a trader so we can analyze more information.
Let's click on the first trader. We can see that has a 7 days ROI of 15%, but by looking at their history over 100 days, it becomes clear that they have consistently performed well. They have also accumulated a following of over 7,000 people, indicating a high level of trust in their trades. However, it's important to note that this trader currently has a limit of 2,000 followers and is not accepting any new traders at the moment.
We will examine the assets that this trader is trading over time. Let's take a look at the profit graph for the last 180 days. We can see has been profitable for the whole duration. This information allows us to examine the type of trades the trader is making.
For instance, we can see that the average holding time is around 13 hours. Additionally, the trader frequently engages in trades, resulting in a high trading frequency, with a win ratio of 580 to 12. The trader has a good track record of successful trades, which is why they have been so profitable.
So let's take a closer look at trading history. By examining the past 180 days, we can see that the trader is trading Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP. The approach is good because the trader is not dealing with too many assets, resulting in an effective trading.
Now let's examine the trades made by this trader. By viewing the trade history, we can see that they have been shorting Bitcoin. This tells us that they are a day trading, attempting to take advantage of downward price movements. It is important to consider a trader's style when copying them.
Now we're going to show you how to copy a trader. First, we need to find the trader who we want to copy. In this case, we'll select a random trader for the purpose of this tutorial. Once we have identified the trader, we can click on copy and enter the details. We need to specify the total amount of assets or cash we want to allocate to copy this trader.
The money we are going to allocate to copy this trader have to be in your funding account or trading account. copy stop loss feature is available to lower your risk. Essentially, this feature allows you to stop copying a trader if your account balance, which you have allocated to copy this trader, reaches a certain amount of loss.
This can be automated by selecting a percentage at which you would like to stop copying the trader. For instance, if you have put in $1,000 and you've selected 30% as the stop loss percentage, then if you lose $300, you will stop copying the trader.
By selecting the drop box, you can choose to either exit immediately at the current price, which will close all of the copy trades that you have, and stop copying the trader altogether, or continue copying the trader until the positions are closed, which means you won't copy any new orders, but you still copy and close the orders that are already open.
If you want to further safeguard your trades, you may want to consider using the Bybit Copy Guard feature. This feature aims to get a better price for you by waiting to copy an order at the optimal price. For larger assets like Bitcoin and Ether, this won't be an issue as they are liquid assets. But for more smaller and more liquid assets, the trader may trade at a different price, and if you copy them, you may end up getting a much worse price.
If you are using CopyTrader to trade in future market on leverage, you can reduce the amount of leverage taken in your own trades by going to more settings. This is important to ensure that it's within your own limit. CopyTrader may use 100 times leverage or 10 times, which may put you in a bad position. By reducing the amount of leverage taken, you can reduce your own risk.
You can see the max position margin per contract in the setting. This will limit how much margin you want to take per trade. For instance, if you put down $100 of margin, you won't be using any more than that per trade, which will reduce your own risk.
The max daily position will stop copying once you get a certain amount of position per day. However, if you cut your losses too early and make specific changes, you may not be copying the trader's style of trades. This means you may exit trades early at a loss that the trader holds on and end up making money.
Therefore, it's important to keep in mind that if you want to limit risk, the max margin is good, but cutting losses too early or making specific changes may not allow you to copy the trader's style or trades. The stop loss ratio allows you to put a stop loss in, saying that if one trade goes down, you want to cut at the price or percentage loss. The trader will probably do this anyway, but it's up to you if you want to put that take profit order in as well.
Take profit ratio allow you to exit profitable trade earlier. So, if you're cutting out earlier with a 20% profit, you might miss out on the one trade that the trader does really well on. So, if you are taking your profit early in that trade, then you are not really copying the trader. Max slippage per order. If you are copying a trader in a liquid asset and the price has moved 1%, you don't want to be buying a different price than the trader is copying at. Therefore, a max slippage of around 0.7 is actually fine, especially in liquid asset.
One helpful option is to select which asset you'd like to trade. By clicking off the ones you don't want to trade, you can avoid those assets that you don't like. You can also examine a trader's background to see which assets they typically trade. Once you've chosen your preferences and read the terms and conditions, you can start copying traders, and by clicking on Copy Now.
If you have active orders, you can manually edit them on the main page by going to the top right and clicking on My Copy Trading. In this page, you can see all the detail of your trades. You can copy up to 10 traders for active trading. It is essential to remember that copy trading is a part of active trading and poses a higher risk than other investment options. As a result, it's advisable to allocate only a small amount of your portfolio towards copy trading.
So guys, another great video on how to use Bybit. We really hope this video has been helpful for you.
And as always, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new video and contents. We'll see you soon.
Bye.